Hey guys, welcome back. This is Raynan and it's April 10, Sunday. It's 5:50 p.m. and you're watching Halo Halo Mix Bags. I forgot to say. And so the reason why you might notice there's a huge Canadian flag behind me. And then my attire, it was the same one that I used yesterday, obviously. Yeah, and besides that, I mean, the reason why I'm doing this video is because the mortgage rate is already had gone up. So our mortgage rate in 5 years ago, it's only 3.14 when the federal funds rate was standing at 1%. So right now, the federal funds rate is only 0.5%, while the mortgage the mortgage rate, if you're gonna refinance or buy a house or buy anything like real estate, is here. It's I don't know if you can see that for 6 months, 6 months close, it's 3.79. For a 1 year close, it's 2.99. And then, as you can see there, 2 years, 3.39, 3 years, 3.75, and 4 years, look at that, it's 4.04%. And then the 5 years, it's 3.92%. So what does this tell you? That the banks um, will not lend cash, or not gonna lend you money in the next 6 months for not less than 3.79%. Why is that? The 6 months is more, is it's more expensive, or the rates is higher than a 1 year. It is because that the banks are possibly they see something that there might be something might happen, like a geopolitical risk or a recession or whatever. So that in the next 6 months, so the more risk that the banks are taking, that they're going to charge you more for the interest. And you can see here also in the 4 years is 4.04%, and then the 5 years at 3.92%. So why would the bank lend you cash in 5 years for 3.92%, where in 6 months they can make almost the same money, or same dividend, or same return for 3.79%, right? It's because they see something that might happen in the next 6 months, in the next from now until a year from now. So there are so many factors that they're seeing. That's the reason why 6 months is almost at the same level as the 5 years. So you have to look into this. It's because there's so many things there's so many stuff that are going on around us. There's the risk of food crisis. There are I was just I talked to my sisters last weekend, and I told them that, because they live in Europe, in Northern Europe. So I told them, you got to prepare yourself. There's so many things going on. They're quite near to Russia, and so there's the risk. The most of their food are coming from Russia and Ukraine. And so we all know what's going on in that part of the world, and so you hear what's going on in Pakistan, in Peru, in Sri Lanka. There's fuel shortages and all this stuff. So I hope you better prepare yourself. It might not be happening right now, but it will soon be, because this is a worldwide phenomenon. We haven't experienced anything like this. So I hope you get yourself prepared. It's better to have something, you know, stock up on and on food rather than go to the grocery store and expecting something there that might not be there when you need it, right? So it's better to like what they say, it's better to have it and not need it, and then rather than needing it and not having it, right? And so I leave you in peace for now. It's Sunday. I wish you a good work week tomorrow, and I'll see you again next time. Have a good night. Bye bye.